Hi, this is Marcelo with Jamplay, and in this lesson we're going to make a little 12-bar etude to apply the fingerpicking pattern that we learned in the previous lesson. For this particular exercise, I have chosen to use the chord shape, the same chord shape for all three chords. The chords are going to be C7, F7, and G7. Once again, if you have watched some of my previous lessons, you know that I really like to apply things to the 12-bar blues, and you use the 12-bar blues as a place where we can practice different techniques. The reason for that is that I don't want your brain occupied with the form of the song and with not knowing where things are going to change. I assume that everybody knows how to play a 12-bar blues. If you don't, you should stop whatever you're doing right now and you should learn how to do that, because it's really important for any guitar player to be able to do that no matter what style of music you play. So if you do know the basic form of a 12-bar blues, now you can be at ease with when the chords are going to change, because you will be feeling the changes and we can focus on the exercise itself. Another thing I was telling you about is the position of the chord. I've chosen to use the same position for the three chords, which is not necessarily the way that you want to play in songs, but I wanted you to be able to keep the exact same thing on your right hand at all times. So the only way to do that is to not change the chords. Otherwise, I will be changing to different parts, right? Different strings on the guitar, I meant. So here we go. The first 4 bars, it's just over that C7 chord, right? Then for bars number 5 and number 6, we're going to move the chord shape from the C7 to the 8th position for the F7. So the hard thing there is going to be the shift between one position and another. So let's just practice that slowly. Now the best way to do this is probably just try to slide these 2 fingers on the strings and then position the other 2. In other words, if you have to switch from this position to that, from the low position to the 8th position here, or 6th position, actually, don't do this. Don't lift your whole chord up, because then it's going to be really hard to find. If the switch itself is difficult for you, then try to practice just that. Just go. Remember, a little bit of sliding noise on the guitar actually sounds cool. You get to the end, you can use this bass line to actually repeat it a few times. So just play this for a while and see how you feel with it. Sounds kind of like the Batman song made country.